Groundwater is a vital resource for farmers. In the Midwest, it supports not only millions of acres of irrigated farmland, but also provides drinking water for countless communities. Jesse Korus with the University of Nebraska-Lincoln joins us now with an update on his work to expand groundwater resources. Thank you so much for joining us today, Jesse. Now, we know groundwater is obviously crucial for agriculture, but it's something that's hidden below the surface and for lots of us is kind of mysterious. Can you tell us a little more about your research?
Certainly. Well, thank you for having me. It's always exciting to talk about groundwater in the Midwest. Farmers and ranchers know that groundwater is vitally important for agriculture here in the Midwest and elsewhere. But below the ground surface, it's hidden. It's hidden from view, so it's difficult to study directly. So we use technology similar to medical imaging. This technology utilizes electromagnetics. So think about it like ringing a loud bell and then listening for a faint echo. And it's that faint echo that tells us about what's below ground. So we're looking for aquifer structures, and these electromagnetic signals help us to map the distribution of groundwater resources, help us to locate the aquifers, and ultimately help us to better protect the water resources for future generations.
Yeah, this is some critical research for sure. Now, with the High Plains aquifer underlying much of the Midwest, it sounds like this technology could be invaluable. Have there been any surprising or particularly impactful discoveries from your survey so far?
Yes, absolutely. Every time we do these surveys, we discover something new. One example is from eastern Nebraska. We discovered that one of the reasons that the aquifers are so variable in this area is that during the ice ages, the glacial advances into this region disrupted the sediments and made for some very complex aquifer structures. This technology helped us to map these aquifer structures and better predict where groundwater is more available and where it is less available.
Yeah, that is fascinating. Is there a way for people to see this data?
Yes, absolutely. Our website contains a lot of information on our groundwater resources here in Nebraska. We have interactive maps where you can view where these surveys have been conducted. You can view them in 3D, and you can look at other information that supports these surveys like wells and geology information.
Definitely going to take a look at that. That's Jesse Korus with the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Appreciate your time.